back to my channel. So today I'll be making some stuffed chicken wings with mashed potatoes. So if you have not done so, please subscribe to my channel, Jeryl's Kitchen. Like and share my videos. Press that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And feel free to leave a comment. So let's get started. So guys, for this recipe I'll be using about 4 pieces of chicken wings, my homemade jerk sauce, and my mashed potato. So this has already been cooked and mashed and ready to go. So this will be the stuffing for my stuffed bacon. So I'm gonna go ahead and debone my chicken wings. So we're gonna push it down just like this and just cut along the sides. So we just need to get this bone out. See how easy it is? And one more piece. We're gonna go all the way down to get this other bone out, because we need to put the potato in all this part. And just one more bone. The chicken. Okay. So you see how it looks? And I'm going to try with one more. Let me find a nice one. So we're going to slit it down the bottom, along the sides. And there's a couple more pieces of bone. Okay. It's getting there. Just be patient. Great. Great job. And one more. Lovely. Look. See, so all this is, it's all boneless. So I'm going to go ahead and drizzle olive oil all over the chicken wings. A little bit in the baking tray. So this is to prevent the chicken from sticking when it's baked. So I'm going to go ahead now and start applying the jerk sauce to my chicken. And if you want to see how I do my jerk sauce video, you can go ahead and watch my video with my jerked baked chicken. And it's in the description box. So we're gonna nicely marinate this chicken. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some sauce to the inside of the chicken. And I'm gonna start stuffing the chicken with my mashed potatoes. So we're gonna shove it all the way down. You can use your hands too if you want. Just make sure your hands are clean. It's a little bit slippery, but it's getting there. So I'm gonna go ahead and close it with my toothpick. Clean it up. So one down and 3 more to go. 3 more. So this is a nice delicious meal if you have like a family get together, or if you don't feel like making like a real big dinner, you can do all in one. So you have your carbs as well as your protein and your vegetable too. So this, I think we can fit a little bit more potato here, so I'm going to try to fit a little bit more. it with my toothpick. Make sure you soak the toothpick in water so that when you're baking it doesn't burn. So this is my stuffed chicken wings ready. So look at how amazing it's looking. And I'm gonna put it in the oven for about 40 minutes. And I'll see you when I get back. So now it's all done. Very lovely and full of flavor. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut into it. As you can see, there's no bones. Just beautiful, delicious potato salad. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.